It's a quick snagging video at West Heath Road. Generally speaking, all the paint needs to be touched up, and well, that needs to be cleaned off. Apparently this is now dry. So it's all sides, all that paint needs to be cleaned off. Let's double check. This new cupboard, that's really nice. Actually, that's good space saver as well. So all the coppers, pipes are going to be painted. That needs to be corked. Paint needs to be removed. Okay, and a separate video has been done for the radiators and the copper pipe. Paint here needs to be touched up. That's going to be replaced. Copper pipes painted. Curtain pole across there. Kitchen. So again, paint needs to be removed. Paint needs to be removed along here. Paint. Paint. That's going to be painted. That needs to be painted along there. Copper pipes need to be painted. That needs to be disposed of. Okay, you're going to need a banister, chrome banister along here with minimum 4-inch screws to make sure it goes straight into the wall, because that's plastic on either side. Fine. Smoke detectors need to go in there. Just some paint work, just needs to be touching up in here. Okay, we need window restrictors in here. Change the hinge on this. Paint all this up. Paint that, paint that. Shower screen along here. We need a door stop here, and door stop for every door throughout the property. And then remove all these paint. Five radiators are going to be replaced, and new TRVs. Again, door stops throughout. Paint there needs to be touched up. Need a new window handle here, and then all the crap removed. That needs to be removed. That's been replaced. And otherwise, yeah, good job.